Okay, let's leave her for a bit. Now I can't open the door normally.
Guy coming through.
You can look down there. See the engine.
Oh, that's nice.
The only one there that's got steam up and dropped the collar in the tender.
I want to see. Can I see?
Sure. You can film it. Although careful that doesn't drop out white fish that's running there.
That one.
What, the
The green
nearest
one.
us? There's loads of coal in its tender.
Oh, right.
The one with the red sign. Buy it.
I thought you meant the red signs in like, you have to buy me.
The red
That one is very tired, as you can see.
see.
Sorry, mine are you're tired automatically. Look at her lovely tattoos. They turn gold in water, but it's actually very annoying. I think it ruins them. And then she has one on her foot, which I want her to put on lovely tattoo. And then Kenny,
Button.
yeah, has a bit of stuff on his arm, which I had to repair. Wait,
I
put it up again.
I hate helter-skelters.
In the light.
This can be my pet trees. I hate helter-skelters.
See a bit of the marks there, but anyway.
Look, there's a little
Do
tiny
you know what
one.
time we leave, Kenny?
I know, but I know what. But I think I've got the clue of the engine. You want you to sing?
Yeah. Cheese and cider. Huh?
Oh, please do not lean out the window.
What time does the train? What time does the train leave?
10:15.
What time is it now?
9:40.
Okay.
So in a few minutes' time, we'll get the engine coming round to go on in front of us.
Okay. How many minutes until we leave? I can't do the maths in my head.
35.
Okay, thank you. God, that scared me, Mum, when it suddenly hooted. Right, Mum isn't even listening.
Oh, I'm listening.
Oh, there you go. Correction, she's not even answering. Yes. That's not an answer, that's what I said. Right, that's what I said. Is that a lorry? Oh yeah, that is. Or someone's climbing up a train, that's dangerous. Oh, but you see a Kenny in the background, so I'm gonna go outside and film. See ya. Where's Kenny? And Dad. Chuggington. Chuggington. Have I?
Why are you saying that?
I don't know. She said shuffle or something.
No, a chicken.
That's it.
When the
Remember when we were up there?
When the buses,
Now it's raining.
Oh dear,
when
it's
the buses
raining.
hit those buses, they just go boing, boing, boing.
It's raining.
It's raining. The old man snoring, Bob decided I could get up for bed.
I saw John yesterday.
Cassandra, there's a rainbow, look.
There's a rainbow.
Just blow over the hill.
Oh yay, Mum! I'll go get Mum.
It's very faint. She might not be able to
See
see
it?
it, but yeah. I don't think the camera will pick it up though. Oh no, wait, it is. It is. Oh, that's not the train. It's not a train.
Definitely not the train before.
Oh.
I don't even know what that means.
Means they're doing it so that to create the steam. Look, they've got the water tank.
Right.
Mum, there's a waiting bar. I know, that's why I called you.
Right, we're inside now because it started to rain. And our news mum is still not responding to anyone. Does anyone know what Dad's talking about?
Yeah, they said to move your
Oh, can I your hand?
It should be puffing the other way.
I don't even know where it should be puffing. Is it moving? Yeah, it's moving. See how
Very much.
Hurry up. I haven't got all day. Right then, I'm gonna go out, see it puffing. Or chocolate, a coffin. Chuggington. Chugga chugga, chugga chugga chugga. Oh dear.
Not a good combination.
Is it meant to be set on fire like that?
It's not set on fire.
Steam, not smoke.
What's the difference?
No.
Steam is wet, smoke is dry.
Yeah, what's the
Yes,
difference?
steam's wet coal.
What he was doing there, that goes in something called the drain cock to get any loose water out of the system because it could cause damage in the cylinders.
Right.
Just as I stepped outside, that.
Rather apple.
I don't even know what it's doing.
It's going to connect to there. That's what.
Don't get in your sister's way.
It's fine.
There's probably going to be one of those turntables.
Nope.
Going
Yeah.
beep, 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 beep,
I've seen a station master here for ages.
Oh, you've got.
Oh look, there's flying smoke. I think it's on the turntable.
That's pretty dull. I've done it a couple of times, it's nothing
Is it
spectacular.
moving?
I know what the union
Yes,
says.
it's smoke's coming.
Alright, oh god, it's going to set on fire again.
It's not
I'm
set
gonna
on
go inside now. Oh wait, it stopped raining now. And I just took my cardie with
Isn't it going the wrong way?
I don't know.
But it can't just turn. Well, it can fall.
Yeah, isn't it going the wrong way?
No, it can fall.
Oh god, that's scary. Look, it's so scary, the birds are flying away. No, I swear that is being set on fire.
It's not going to.
There's nothing wrong with running tender first, so that's can't go so fast, but the speed limit on this line is 25 miles an hour anyway, so it doesn't make a difference.
I'm sorry, you had me confused at tandem.
Oh, yeah. No, no, how it creates that smoke.
And then swap the lamps round so the white runs on the front.
Not really, no, I'm cold.
Here it comes.
That's dangerous. No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. No, it's not.
What happened to never get under train?
Sorry? Do you take sugar in your
No, he
tea?
has to. It's not that dangerous if it's not moving. It's not dangerous if it ain't gonna move.
Right.
Morning.
Morning.
All right.
Right. Don't think we'll need steam heat today.
You don't?
No.
Oh, Rick. Keep your eye on boiler control.
What is that for?
What's that for?
Vacuum pipe.
The
So you
what?
can release the brakes on the train.
Ah, to
Or
put
apply them if necessary.
Yeah, that helps.
candy pizza. Wow.